everyone, and this is the love reading for the zodiac sign of Scorpio from 9 to 15th August. It may not resonate with each one of you. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. So let's begin now. These are the certain love messages I'm going to take out for both of you, both for the Scorpio and their partner here. So this is for you, Scorpio, and this is for your partner here. This is for you and this is for your partner. Now for you, message for you, Scorpio, I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light and I love you. So Scorpio, you are expressing love. You have a lot of love for your partner in your heart, and you're saying that he or she may be in your heart and that you love them. And your person, Scorpio, forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on the past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream and imagine. So your person is being asked to forgive you. There may be some kind of discord or conflict between you two. So now let's clear and let's see what are the love messages for you, Scorpio. Collective, my love team, please give the messages, love messages for the Scorpio, because they are feeling very, very happy and emotional towards their partner. They love them a lot. They are literally saying, I love you. So let's see what are your love messages here, Scorpio. Okay, so let's see. Message for you. This is your recent past, the present moment, the near future. This is your challenge, and this is your advice. And at the bottom of the deck, you have the Six of Swords here. Okay, Scorpio, so I think in the past you have this Queen of Cups in the reverse, so maybe in the recent past there was no, you people, one of you did not love the other. That means maybe you loved your person but your past partner or your person wasn't in love, did not love you. Maybe they were emotionally unfulfilled. And it can also show that you may not be loving yourself enough. You should first have love for yourself, then only you can give love to your person here, to your partner. So there was love deficiency here in the recent past. Now in the present moment you have Six of Wands here, so there is some kind of failure here, Scorpios, maybe regarding your work or some personal failure in your workplace or anything, but you are feeling very, very defeated and failed and disappointed, and that you have been unsuccessful in some kind of situation in your life. Could be love related also. I think you need to inculcate self-love also for yourself. Maybe your self-esteem or self-confidence is low at this time. Now in your near future you have the Tower. So please be prepared in the near future. There is a big shock coming, a sudden change of events which you have not anticipated, which you did not expect. Some unexpected sudden changes will occur in the near future, and so be prepared, you my Scorpios. And now your challenge is Two of Swords in the reverse. That means you have come out of some sort of denial. You have taken a decision. You have come out of this illusion. You have got clarity as to which way you have to go. Otherwise you are not ready to see the reality. So this is your challenge. You need to see the reality. You need to come out of the illusion, confusion, whatever you are having. You have two paths, two choices here. So your challenge is to make a choice and come out of this illusion here. This is what your challenge is, and your advice is Queen of Swords in the reverse. Now Queen of Swords in the reverse says that there should be truth between you two. I think maybe you people are not communicating with each other. Somebody is speaking lies and is not trustworthy. So this is what I have for you. But actually you love your person a lot. So maybe your challenge is that you should make a choice, and you should do a reality check. You should come out of your denial. So this is for your person. Now for you Scorpios, now let's see what is there for your person. What is it that what are the love messages, my love team, for the Scorpios here? What are the love messages? Because you need to forgive your person, you need to forgive your partner, you need to forgive your the Scorpios, your partner who's a Scorpion. So now let's see what is the love message for your person here. And now this is your recent past. Okay, 5 of Cups in the reverse. This is your present moment, 5 of Pentacles here. This is your near future. This is your challenge here, and this is your advice. So you need to move on, Scorpios, and at the bottom of the deck, your strength here. Okay, Scorpio, so your person in the recent past has been very sad, has a lot of regrets, maybe. They have a lot of, I think this is your, sorry, excuse me, this is, yeah. So in the recent past, your partner was very sad, your person was very sad, and they were very dejected, disappointed, because here this is showing that maybe you people are not communicating. I think most of the readings have been like this except for the Cancer. But now in the recent past they have come out of that sadness, that feeling of regret. They have 2 cups here, so they have to turn around and see that there is still hope. So this is the recent past. Now in the present moment, also the condition was similar. What was it in the recent past? Presently they are coming out of feeling of insecurity, scarcity, and maybe you abandoned them. They were feeling abandoned. They are feeling abandoned. They have come out of this feeling of abandon now. You must have deserted them, left them, and in the cold, and they were feeling very insecure. So now they have come out of the feeling of abandonment. They have come out of the feeling of insecurity. They have come out of the feeling of scarcity, and they felt very hurt maybe. But you love them. That is why the message is that they should forgive you, because you do love them maybe, and you people were separated. You people mutually decided to part ways. Now in the near future you have the Lovers card, so this is definitely a divine connection, but Lovers is also a card of choice and doubt. So they are doubting you, they don't trust you completely. They are doubting you because in the past you have abandoned them, you have deserted them, you have left them in the cold. So they are definitely, in the near future, they will be making a choice, but they have a lot of doubt regarding you. The connection between you two is very good, the relationship is very happy, but still they are doubting it. Now in the challenge, they have the 5 of Swords. So this is a self-sabotage card. Maybe there's a third party also here. You people have fought and nobody is willing to come forward. Like, कौन पहले आए? Who should come first? Who should approach first? Who should break the ice? So this is the challenge you two people are facing, and you two people want to come together, but it is like, some sort of ego is coming in between you two people, that who should make the first move. So I think you should give up your ego. This person should forgive you, and you should also ask for forgiveness, apology here, because you love them a lot. So this is a kind of situation where there's a lot of ego also is involved. And in your advice is that you should come back, you should try to make things work. Actually they left you, so they parted ways with you because they did not see the situation, the future with you. They did not see anything good about your relationship in the future, so they decided to part ways. They decided to take another direction. But the advice is that they should come back, they should clear the air. You people should communicate, you should keep the ego aside, talk to each other and make up with each other, because this person feels that there is no future with you. So this is what I have for you, Scorpios. I hope this resonates with you. I hope it helps you, and thank you for tuning in, and bye bye.